Take a paracord 24 inches long. Make 2 separate bites. Put left bite into the right one. Make a 3rd bite and put into the right bite. Put left end down through right bite. Over the right strand and down through the left bite. Now below the right strand and up through the right bite. In the final round, pass through the middle of the knot. Now work out the slacks loop by loop carefully. Continue working out the slacks patiently. Refine the process of working out slacks once again. Lo, a neat and beautiful clover knot is ready. Now tie a sliding knot to complete the bracelet. Perfect paracord bracelet for your wrist. Like and subscribe for more paracord knots.